Did you know that the way you hold your camera can dramatically affect the quality of your photos? Well, if you want to take breathtaking shots of Mallorca, then you just need to master this simple technique. In today's video, I'll be showing you the essential techniques to hold your camera correctly, to capture beautiful, crisp, and sharp images. So let's dive into how you hold your camera for stunning photos. Whether you're capturing golden beaches, charming streets, the way you hold your camera can make all the difference. So have you ever taken what you thought was a perfect shot, only to realize that it was shaky and off balance? So let's dive into how you hold your camera for stunning photos. Okay, let's break it down. First, your grip. Always use both hands, keeping one supporting the lens and the other holding the camera body securely. Second, posture. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart for a better balance. If possible, use a wall or a tree or even your knees as a support to stabilize yourself while shooting. Finally, adjusting your camera settings. Using a fast shutter speed can further enhance stability and sharpness, whether you're shooting at sunrise or the bustling streets of Palma. These techniques will help you get crystal clear images. For family photo shoots, stability is even more important, since you'll be capturing multiple people who might be moving along. Hold your camera at eye level to create a natural perspective and ensure everyone is in focus. If you're photographing children, try kneeling or sitting to match their height for a more intimate and dynamic shot. Using a tripod with a remote shutter release can keep the shot steady while allowing you to interact with the family and direct poses more freely. Now let's compare. One using proper camera holding techniques and one without. Notice the difference? The first image, taken with a stable grip and proper posture, is crisp and well composed, while the second image appears slightly blurry and off-center. This simple adjustment in how you hold your camera can be a game changer in capturing beautiful and stunning images. To wrap it up, we've covered the importance of how to hold your camera correctly, the best grip and posture techniques, and how to utilize your surroundings to improve stability. By applying these tips, you'll ensure your photos aren't just good, but stunning. And if you found these tips helpful, make sure you go and check out our other photography techniques. I'll put a playlist down below on some more videos that you can check out all to do with photography techniques. And let me know down in the comments below if these tips helped you improve your shots. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more photography insights. And now go out there and capture some stunning Mallorca photos. And make sure you click on this playlist here to dive deeper into photography tips and tricks and take your skills to the next level.